Hey, I'm Russ Porter with John L. Scott Bothell, the Madrona Group. And if you're thinking about getting into real estate or you've just started your career, this message is for you. Starting out in this business can feel overwhelming. There are contracts, deadlines, clients, marketing, and a lot of pressure to figure things out fast. You shouldn't have to do it alone. That's why one of the biggest advantages here is the training and mentorship. From day one, you get coaching, support, and real-world guidance to help you build confidence and avoid costly mistakes. You also get the power of the John L. Scott brand. It's trusted, it's respected, and it helps you walk into appointments with credibility, even when you're new. Here, you're not just another license number. You have access to experienced brokers, managers, and support staff who actually care about your success. We also provide strong transaction support. That means less stress, fewer mistakes, and more time for you to focus on learning and serving clients. You'll have access to proven systems, technology, and CRM tools that help you stay organized and build your database the right way. And when it comes to marketing, you're not starting from scratch. You get professional templates, listing materials, and branding support that make you look polished from the start. You'll also be surrounded by motivated, ethical, high-performing agents who believe in doing things the right way. That culture matters, especially early in your career. And as you grow, there are real opportunities here. Team leadership, specialty niches, luxury, commercial, even ownership. You're building more than a job, you're building a career. We're also deeply connected to our community, and that gives you opportunities to build your relationships, referrals, and long-term clients. So if you're ready to learn, ready to grow, and ready to build something meaningful, I'd love to help you get started. Reach out to me directly. Let's talk about how we can launch your real estate career with confidence at John L. Scott, the Madrona Group.